Hi everyone, we are back with this video how to pair your Samsung with your Samsung Flow. I found it very well, like so handy. I tried before using the cable, but my phone is not showing on the cable, so therefore I tried this time on Flow, and this app is like taking my mind. It's so much graceful. Let's start. The file link in the description below. You can share your messages, you can share your files, you can share audio, video, text, or application. As you can see, I already share so many things here. So no restriction, nothing to be worried. So let's pair this. First, you will see this kind of screen on your application when you first time start it. It says you should pair the device. Just click on pair and make sure both sides application is open on your PC as well and on your smartphone as well. So then you have to click on the device which you want to pair. I have already paired, so I just reset to make sure that you can pair it very well. There you can see codes are shared. Click OK on both sides. And there you go. Your application is ready. Okay, best feature about this app is I can see my phone screen here without interrupting. First, let me unlock my device so I can be share. On your smartphone, it says start now, and you can see. Okay, as you can see, my files are here. You can see my whole phone. I'm using this mouse to access my phone, and there you can see all my things are working without any interruption. You can see I can do the wiping, do this and that, everything. Even I play any video to show you. It will be play on my cell phone as well. So next video is also how to update your ROM. You can see the sound is here. Next video I'll show you how to unlock the bootloader of this device and how to install Android with AI support. You can see it's 6.1 Android 14. As you can see, my device is not 14 enabled, but I installed 14 on it. So that's all for today. See you in the next video very soon. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, and comments. See you in the next video very soon.